Personal cleanliness 2.4. Now what do you mean by personal cleanliness? Personal cleanliness means how you should keep yourself clean. अपने आप को कैसे आपको clean रखना चाहिए. Now the important thing about you is that you are you. You were a baby and you grew and you grew. Now you are a child and you know and you know. The important thing is to be healthy as you grow, as you grow. Okay, now this is a short poem, students. The important thing about you is you are you. Okay, आप ही हो. And पहले आप first you were a child, right? And you grew up. आप बड़े बड़े होते गए वैसे. Now you are a child and you know everything. Now you are grown up, students. Okay? अब आप बड़े हो गए हो और आपको सब पता है. You know. And the important thing is to be healthy as you grow. Okay? Now what is important? As you grow, you should be healthy. Now how you can be healthy? When you keep yourself clean. जब आप अपने आप को clean रखोगे तभी आप healthy ग्रोगे. So what are the cleanliness measures you have to take? A clean body is a healthy body. Get up early in the morning, brush your teeth well and wash your face. Brush your teeth twice a day. Now first what you have to do? The clean body is a healthy body. अगर आपकी body clean है तो आप healthy हो. ठीक है? अगर आपकी body clean है तो आप healthy रहते हो. How? Because you don't get sick, right? And you are healthy. So, what you should do to keep yourself healthy? Get up early in the morning. You should get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth well and wash your face. So, what you have to do? First, when you get up in the morning, you should brush your teeth and wash your face. Brush your teeth twice a day. So, every day you should brush your teeth twice a day. Means, when you get up in the morning and before you go to bed. सोने से पहले. Okay. Now, go to the toilet. Always flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Now, when you go to the toilet, always flush the toilet after use. अगर आप flush नहीं करोगे तो उसमें bacteria हो जाते हैं, germs हो जाते हैं, and that makes you fall ill, sick. Okay? And when you come out of the toilet, you should always wash your hand with the hand wash. Okay? Have a bath with the soap and water every day. Clean your ears and nose every day. Use a clean towel to wipe yourself dry. Now, when you have a bath, okay, you should have a bath every day, right? So, you should use a soap, okay? You should use a soap and water to take bath every day. Clean your ears and nose every day. So, you should always clean your nose and ears every day. Because अगर आपके कान साफ नहीं है तो all the dust get accumulated there, okay? And that is not good for your health also. Wear clean clothes after a bath. Comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. Now, after you take a bath, you should wear clean clothes, okay? And when you come out from the bath, you should use a clean towel, okay? एकदम साफ सुथरा towel आपको use करना चाहिए. And after that, you should wear clean clothes. साफ सुथरे कपड़े आपको पहनने चाहिए. Wear clean clothes after a bath. Comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. So, you should always comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. And you should always trim your hair also, students. आपके बाल बड़े ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए, boys. Okay. And if girls are there, girls ने बाल एकदम neat and tidy, oily करके every day they should tie up your hair. Okay. Trim your nails, but do not bite. Sit up straight, then everything is right. Okay. Now, trim your nails means you should cut your nails whenever they grow up. बट डू नॉट बाइट मीन्स आपको आपके नाखून मुंह में नहीं बाइट करने हैं, चबाना नहीं है आपके नाखूनों को. यू शुड नेवर बाइट योर नेल्स बिकॉज वेन यू बाइट योर नेल्स क्या होता है, द germs or the dust that is there in the nails will go in your stomach and you will have a stomach ache. आपका पेट दर्द करने लगेगा, right? So sit up straight. Whenever you sit, students, you should always sit in a straight position. Okay? Otherwise, you will have a loop in your back. Then everything is right. And when you follow these things, when you follow everything, all these measures, then everything will be right. Okay? To be clean is to be free from dirt. When you are clean, जब आप साफ रहते हो, that means you are free from the dirt. आप dirt से दूर हो. ठीक है? So these are the major things you should follow for personal cleanliness. Okay? Now, wear clean clothes always. Now, you should always wear clean clothes. So, dirty clothes are bad for health. So, dirty clothes होते हैं. Dirty clothes means if you don't wash the clothes, okay, and you are wearing the same clothes every time, वही clothes आप पहनते रहते हो जिसमें मट्टी लगी है, okay, that is bad for your health also. वो germs आपकी body में वापस enter करते हैं फिर. Use a handkerchief to wipe your nose. Now, whenever you have a cough or a cold, or when you want to clean your nose, you should always use a handkerchief. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Now, when you have a cough or cold, you should always cover your mouth with a handkerchief. Okay? See, this is how you should use your handkerchief. Gargle after eating and keep your mouth clean. Gargle means हम लोग कुल्ला करते हैं ना, मुंह में पानी डालते हैं, and you should flush out everything that is left behind after eating. जब हम लोग मुंह में से gargle करते हैं, gargle means कुल्ला करना. When you do that, जो भी आपके मुंह में दांतों के बीच में stuck हुआ रहता है वो निकल जाता है. Okay, so this is how you can keep your mouth also clean. Toothbrush, comb, towel, soap, nail cutter and handkerchief helps us to keep ourselves clean. Now these are the things. Toothbrush. How toothbrush keeps you clean? When you keep brush, okay, when you brush your teeth, that is how you clean your teeth, okay. Keep your teeth clean. Now comb. When you comb your hair, that will keep your hairs clean. Towel, when you wipe yourself, जब आप अपने आप को टॉवल से पोंछते हो, that will keep your body clean. Soap also keeps your body clean. Okay. Nail cutter, when you cut your nails or trim your nails, and handkerchief when you use handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Right. Keep these things clean and in their proper places. Now, whenever you use all these things, toothbrush, comb, towel, you should always keep these things also clean and in the proper place. अगर यही आप गंदा यूज करोगे तो आपके बॉडी में वापस germs आते हैं. Now, rest and play. Rest means आराम करना and play means खेलना. You must have enough exercise every day. There are many games which we can play. Remember to wash your hands and feet after playing. You must have enough sleep at night. Remember to wear a clean night dress before sleeping. Now, you must have enough exercise every day. Students, as you know, when exercise keeps our body fit and healthy, right? So, you should do basic exercise every day. Playing is also one of the exercise, but playing means not sitting at home and playing games, okay, that is not exercise. When you go in the garden, okay, this type of playing, okay, where you jump, climb, all this also are included in exercise only. ये सब भी एक exercise ही है जब आप खेलते हो ground में. So there are games which we can play. Remember to wash your hands and feet after playing. Whenever you come at home from the ground after playing or outside anywhere, whenever you come home, you should always wash your हैंड्स एंड फीट, ओके, क्योंकि उसमें मट्टी लगी रहती है, राइट? आपके पैरों में, हाथों में जर्म्स रहते हैं, उसमें जर्म्स रहते हैं. तो इफ यू डोंट क्लीन इट, the germs will enter in your body also, okay? So you should always keep your hands and feet clean. You must have enough sleep at night, okay? Now whenever you sleep, okay, you should sleep very well. You should have enough sleep, okay? You should not sleep too late at night. You should sleep early at night, okay, so that you have enough sleep. Remember to wear a clean night dress before sleeping. Whenever you go to sleep, students, you should always change your clothes and wear clean night dress, okay? Now, do you know eyelashes and eyelids keep dirt and dust out of our eyes? Now, what do you mean by eyelashes and eyebrow? See, this is our eyelash. ये जो आंखों के ऊपर रहता है ना, जिससे हम पलके कहते हैं, that is eyelash, and this is the eyebrow. So ये क्यों होते हैं? Because that helps the dust and the dirt, जो मट्टी रहती है, धूल मिट्टी रहती है, उसे हमारे आंखों में डायरेक्ट जाने से प्रिवेंट करते हैं, रोकते हैं. Now the question answers exercise. Unscramble the words in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Unscramble means these are jumbled words and you have to write the correct spelling. We must have enough dash every day. Now what is the answer? We must have enough exercise. We must dash our teeth daily. So what you must do? We must clean our teeth daily. We must wash our dash and dash after playing. We must wash our hands and feet after playing. Now say this right or wrong. Lena washes her hands after using the toilet. That is right or wrong? Yes, it is right. You should always wash your hands. Raj does not brush his teeth before going to bed. No, that is wrong. You should always brush your teeth before going to bed. Mona does not keep her things in their proper places. That is wrong. You should always keep the things in the proper place so that when you want that thing, जब आपको जरूरत पड़ती है तो आपको आसानी से मिल जानी चाहिए वो चीज. इसीलिए हमें चीजों को जगह पे रखनी चाहिए, proper place में. Now this is the crossword, students. What is this? It is a toothpaste. This is toothbrush, comb, oil and soap. Now what are these things? These are the things which keep us clean, okay? Now color the bubbles having names of which help you clean and keep you clean and healthy. Now you have to color, okay? ये आपको कलर करना है जो आपको हेल्प करते हैं क्लीन रखने में. Mud, no, okay? Nail cutter, yes, this helps to keep you clean. Towel, bits of paper, no. Soap, yes, the three things are nail cutter, towel and soap. So these are the things which helps us to keep us clean. So this is the end of the chapter, students. That is personal cleanliness, okay? So thank you, students. Bye.